Hi, we are now here to unbox the Nintendo Switch handheld game console. It's the first time I buy this one. See, Nintendo Switch. You can check all the details. Okay, you can see what is inside. What is inside the console. Check this one. Newly Nintendo Switch. So let's get started. Okay, this is very fresh, new. So now we need to open this one. Alright. You see, set it up, plug it in. Okay. Just 1 minute. So here it is. Here it is. You can check this one. It comes with this. Come with 2 joysticks. See, 2 joysticks. Alright. 2 joystick. Then this is the LCD screen. See the screen? You can check. Yeah, it's new. New as fresh. Okay, new as fresh. CD, new as fresh. And we have the booklets. Okay, we have the booklets, safety guide information. Alright, we have this for the controller. So if you want to use this one, you can use it for a controller, switch controllers. Switch controller, check. See, it's very new. And we have also the power cord. And this is for the charger. For the television, the HDMI. You can set it on your TV and you can play it. This one, the adapter. And we have this strap. The strap. This is the strap. Two strap, all right, for 1 player and 2 player. Have 2 strap. And we have this one also, the stand. If you want to play it in the 2 player mode, you can use this stand. This is the stand. The stand. Right. You want to enjoy it from your TV? You can put it on stand. Okay guys, thank you for watching. We are ready now to assemble it. You see, this one's very fresh, very new. Okay. the unit, the Nintendo Switch. See, and this is the controls. The controls. Alright. We're ready to insert it. Just like this. Ready to insert it, just like this. See? Unplug it. Okay, here the locks. And another one, the blue one. So we're ready to insert it also. Just be careful. Okay. So this is ready. It's now ready to use it. Okay. Off. So let's turn it on. Turn it on. Alright. Press time to open. Nintendo Switch. Right. Thank you for watching, guys. We have also this very branded new one, the games NBA 2K21. Comes for games NBA 2K21. And we have Little Nightmares 2. Little Nightmares 2, and also we have this Witcher. The complete edition Witcher. Alright, it's good. Thank you for watching, guys.